Okay, welcome back. Continuing with sitting gills. And here we're looking at resistance. Okay, this is just a short one, okay? 5 minutes roughly, just to, again, refresh your memories, okay? And just a recap session on it, basically, overall, okay? Okay, 1 second, let me just, 120, that's good, that's better. That's better, yeah, okay, yeah, come with that. Okay, and a recap session on that, basically, okay? Basically what we covered before already, okay, nothing more, nothing new on that. That's for you to be accurate. Resistance measured in ohms and its symbol is the omega, okay? And here we're just showing you how resistance is solid cube of a material next to made of opposite faces of the cube. So when any material has an electrical supply connected to it, it has a particular resistance. This resistance is called the resistivity of the material or a specific resistance, okay? And here we have the resistivity of all the materials, basically, okay? Resistivity of common materials. Let me see if I can add to that, okay? 1 second, let me see if I can get into, can I get into my, no, I won't add to that now because that will take me off the object that I'm presently doing. Okay, but these are the resistivity of given material, okay? And this is the calculation that we use to calculate specific resistance. Each material has its own specific resistance. If that same material changes in size or area, it will change its resistance. Increasing the area decreases the resistance, okay? Okay, thank you. Okay, I hope you found this useful. Have a good day. Bye-bye.